DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector.
What's good, YouTube? Gang, it's your boy Jambisco back in this bitch with another banger reaction. You already know what time it is. Gang, you see what we are doing today? Yeah, man. Today we got none other than Mr. Big Grabber like him, Bob himself. You don't know there none other than Najeeriii. And as you see from the countdown, guys, he's just premiering this one. He's just dropping this right now as I'm recording. And the one I name She Want Bob. We're not gonna hold up the vibes. Let's jump right in that reaction right now, gang. Let's get it.
Fully. Up here, I like Bob. Sanakara. Taraka. He said she want Bob.
Come on. Yeah, man, gang. You don't know ready for the one now. Ready for that one? I want to live and run on the premiere. Come here. Yeah, man, I didn't beat him like for your Bob pan when the bass is hard hitting me. You feel me? Yeah, man, and Bob got a nice little brownie with the dog in here. You see me, a nice little filly apart. You see me, come here.
He says she want Bob, she waiting her time, I said he taking off that. We getting her.
She said she want Bob, she waiting her tag, so taking off that. I want to them, stop playing Bob in there, come in.
He says she want Bob, she waiting her time, I said he taking off that. We getting her man and press, he getting her crap. Looking every necessary step, he let this after. We said he let this out by. He said take it out.
I'm to the lettuce ham pie that I got bricks, palm bricks. And we say bricks, we don't talk coke, we don't talk stone, and we don't talk bomba. We are talk like moolah.
This after. We said he let this out by. She said take it out, we getting her tight. Stick fat, face pressing and he make him arm smile. This crap, he said he have to get it out by. She feels safe with Bob. She give me brain feel lace with cap.
To your man, she what are you like that? She give you what lace with what? Eh? She said she want Bob, but she give me what lace with what? Weird, when that?
She feels safe with Bob. She give me brain feel lace with cap. She visiting the state.
Feel lace with. You see me, the see where we don't know for that the dog say exactly. You see me, I say come on.
Safe with Bob. She give me brain feel lace with cap. She visiting the state street case with Bob. Cause he drifting in the race wheel race with cap. Get you picky with the great shield chain.
Yeah, we drifting in the race and race with cops. Yeah, race with cops, brother. Cops, brother, you're afraid.
Cause he drifting in the race wheel race with cap. Get you picky with the great shield chain with spot. You say me rich like my place did rap. We drift up missile she read.
Say me rich like my place did what? Rap? Rap with what?
Chain with spot. You say me rich like my place did rap. We drift up missile she rate this squad. If a brick got denied the page will crash. Got rich from D-line the clear see that.
So the what get denied the page with what? The players what crash or what go on?
This squad. If a brick got denied the page will crash. Got rich from D-line the clear see.
You say if the brick get denied in PG what? The cops? You see me in the PG what?
Yeah, got 6 concubines, but still with one. I should give that tonight, she taste this cat. Got cheap concubines.
Got couple rich concubines she with and she yeah. You see me come in. You pull up the one man come in.
Rich from D-line, the clear see that. Got 6 concubines, but still with one. I should give that tonight, she taste this cat. Got cheap concubines, the place this stuff.
Yeah, I hear Bob blows and scary base of forward back in wagon.
He said she knows I'm rich. We roll heavy, chrome 26. The drone press it, if I take it to
know semi rich, we roll real heavy, no lefty, chrome 20. Hey, come on!
You want some rich? We roll heavy, chrome 26. The drone press it, if I take it to very swift. And the phone when we lift, I left the smoke when you bring. He said she want Bob, she waiting her time, I said he taking off that.
I want him to say she want Bob, say she waiting her. No, me taking off that. I want to the man forward.
Getting our man and press it, getting our fra. Making every necessary step, let this after. We said he let this out by. She said for take it out, we getting our tight. Big fat, let's press it and we make him all smile. This guy gets selling up, I got a plan, Calabasas.
Calabasas. Why dog know about Calabasas? California. So dog in a Cali. That be traveling to the US. Oh, I'll go and where can I get from?
Express it and make him all smile. This guy gets selling up, I got a plan, Calabasas. If you want tight, pussy, but you got a proper back. Don't do it nice, fully, you got a solar focus. Don't do it grind, pussy, crack your butter, drag on a fuck. I ain't a girl, I'm a fuck.
Your whole pussy. When you know, boom, come in.
Yeah, me get a sola fuck ya. When me cry, she crack your butt a drink and a fuck. I get a rabo for la raka for la gala. Rakina Panama beach, I get a stop on a top. Rakina Mala taki kata.
Say up in a Panama, Baba beach, I do up on a what? Hey, you see me that I be traveling, bro. Bobby taking flights, bro. Don't play Bob.
Rakina Panama beach, I get a stop on a top. Rakina Mala taki kata la rabo for shot. That be the jaga before fata take a jump on a car. Cause she a shop up with a bag of step up on a He said she want Bob, she waiting her time, I said he taking off that.
I want to your man, say she want Bob. Take that. So me taking off that. I want to you. Easy Bob. I something like when in the pan reading me. Them reading always a bongs. Bob needs and beat out the hard in BS. See me and them not give me vibe.
He said she want Bob, she waiting her time.
Nice to go feel you go on to you know man.
And I said he taking off that. He getting
yeah man, nice to go see yeah them. Demon that you know. Bad girl that you say yeah them. Come here.
man, I'm pressing getting off. Making every necessary step with a disaster. We said the ladies are pie. She said we take it and we getting her tight. Big fat Benz pressing that to make him man smile. This crack is selling her.
Big fat Benz pressing that if you make the map smile. Dan Mafia stand up.
Get it combine.
Boo.
Akara. Daraka.
No, yeah man. They grab a like Bob. Don't play with it. You see me? We stay with it. You feel me? Yeah man. Big up to you see me? Big grab a like Bob himself. Yeah man. The cynical boss himself. You see me? I say none other than Najeeriii, man. That was she want Bob. Like they with it. You see me? That was a vibe gang. You see me? That was a good. You see me? Yeah man. I like Bob. When he Najeeriii running fall upon them beats. You see me? Them beats have a vibe to it. And Gidag. You see me? Gidag. You know get energy that he likes to portray in him song them. You see me? And the bongs and the whole. You see me? Yeah man, dog. Watch out, me blood clean camera to you. Yeah man. But yeah man. Like the whole vibe of the video. You see me? I say, but I keep it like this. You see me? Since we done. You see me? Yeah man. But yeah man, like the whole vibe of the video. Definitely OG Baba we know. You see me? Definitely OG Najeeriii we know. You see me? Dog. I'm doing him thing. One of name she want Bob. By me like paddle boat and whilst Pantan. You see me? Yeah. Them energy there. That's what we know about Bob for. You see me? She say she want Bob. She roll with. She waiting her tongue. No, she taking off that. What? Oh, me got 6. You say me got 6. I'm combine you me stay with 1. And another night she had this. Hey, blows that. I'm holding up Panama and yeah man, Bob. Yeah man, this one added to the place. Bob coming out again, Nick already turn up the end of the year. Coming to turn up the holidays. You see me I said you don't know Thanksgiving and Christmas coming, forwarding. You see me I say yeah man, and Bob look like he come for doing thing man. So shout out to Bob. Yeah man, Najeeriii gang, you don't know, just you see me keep this one short. Make sure say if you stay to the end of the video, please like and subscribe. Make sure you join the Discord. If you want to get your music on the platform with a video or audio, make sure you hit me up on IG or you can hit me up on the Discord channel. You see me, my IG is right here. You feel me? So yeah, hit me up on IG gang. You already know what time it is. It's your boy Jambisco. I was here in a banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.
On the play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot a selector boy.